Hi, we're Nat and Craig, Directors of Beam.
And we're helping businesses make 2023 their best year yet. Each year we come across so many businesses that are spending good money and lots of time on their marketing and not getting the results they deserve or a return on investment. Often the main reason their marketing is not working is because they don't have a sound marketing plan. So that's why we're offering our marketing to sales workshops and developing marketing plans so businesses can achieve the success they deserve.
So what do we get, Nat?
Well, a rock solid marketing plan, strategies to grow your business through marketing, tactics to outperform your competition,
And so much more.
We've helped so many businesses achieve the success they deserve, and we'd love to help your business too.
So you want to achieve more in 23? Simply go to our website, fill out the form below, or give us a call.
We look forward to guiding your business in 2023 and beyond.